Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to the video lecture here. Today in this section or video lecture, I'm just going to discuss you about the topic sets, which is a topic of a first year mathematics. Okay, so in this lecture, we will just discussing about the definition of a set as well as different types of sets available. So first of all, let us start our discussion with the definition of a set here. So set is nothing but, as usually say, set of. It's a group of. So when we used to give a definition for the set formally, we used to say set is a collection of well-defined elements. Let us say set is nothing but a collection of well-defined elements. In general, we used to say, when we say a group of elements, that's the collection of elements gathered there. Or else, if we say the defined elements gathered in a group, we used to call them as a set. That means set is nothing but a collection of well-defined elements. Here, the word we have to look is the well-defined. What is meant by the well-defined? It's okay. Collection of elements is okay. Then what it means by the well-defined? Here, well-defined comes with the property of that set of or collection of elements having same properties. That means the collection of elements or group of elements which we are taken into the account should be having same properties. Then we used to call this is an set. So here for your example, set of or else a collection of students in a class is called as a set. Collection of students in a class is called as a set because the well-defined nature of this sentence. We can observe here the well-defined nature in a class. In a class, in the sense, there may be students who are all studying the single class. That maybe you can take it as a PU1. That is the collection of students studying in a PU1 is a best example for the set. Here, for writing the set, we have some common rules. Those are all. Always we need to represent a set by capital letters. Sets by capital letters like A, B, C and X and all. And the collection of elements in a set will be represented or written within the curly braces, and open and curly close the braces. Within these curly braces or the flower brackets, we need to write the elements, and all the elements of the set will be separated by the symbol comma. You should have to separate all the elements of the set by the operator. We used to say comma. By the comma, we need to separate the elements. So let us take one example with these rules. So A is an set containing the vowels in an alphabet. Vowels in the sense we know A, E, I, O, U. And one more rule here, we need to represent the elements of an set by the small letters, where we need to represent the name of the set by capital letter, whereas the elements of the set by the small letters. These rules are to be followed to get the or writing the set here. So the definition, we know that collection of well-defined elements is called as a set, and where the well-defined will gives you the elements having same or common properties. We used to say common properties or same properties. Then it is the best example here. Collection of students in a class is called as a one set, where this in a class, in a single class, will shows you the well-defined nature. That means all the elements which are contained in a set should have the common properties, common or same properties we used to say. And then the rules are just we need to give the name of the set always by the capital letters, and the elements of the set should be included within the opening and closing cover brackets, and all the elements of the set are separated by the operator or a symbol. You can say simply symbol, comma. And then one best example to know about the set is a set of all ovals in a alphabets are A is equal to A, comma, E, comma, I, comma, U, comma, U. This is the just introduction and definition of a set here. So in this topic we can have a different types of sets here. Let us discuss what are the different types we can find in a sets. Okay. So now let us start to discuss the types of sets here.